So guys, welcome to the vlog, and I just want to say, so the reason what I'm doing is actually I just want to document the whole thing. Welcome to the vlog, and this is a new vlog that I want to create for anyone who wants to start investing in real estate. So I'm Dave Visaya from Cebu, Philippines, and I'm a newbie real estate investor. I don't know if you've heard about that term. It's not that common here in Cebu or in the Philippines in general, but in the US, it's actually pretty common. So I've heard about real estate investing from a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Funny story because coming from a not so well off family, I had this friend who has this really big house, and we go there. He's my bandmate, so we go there to play and make use of their drum set and amplifiers to play our music and to play in gigs. So I was just amazed about how this wealthy family was able to make it. And I saw a book in the sala where we were playing, and I noticed what that book was, and I saw it, and it was Rich Dad Poor Dad, and there was a note inside that book that I think it was given to someone, maybe anyone in the family of that wealthy guy. And I just saw it, and the note said that you should read it. This will change your life. And I took it as like an advice to myself when I had the chance to save up money. But this was back right after graduation. When I had the time to save up money, I was able to buy that book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and realize about real estate investing. This guy, Robert Kiyosaki, has been investing, the Rich Dad and Poor Dad, and it's all about real estate, how you can actually have a financial freedom for investing and putting assets, and buying assets. So maybe I'll talk about more about that, but that's basically that book opened a lot of doors for me, like realizing that there is a bigger world out there, the investment world, and that's how the rich get richer in a sense, and how people are buying and investing more and more. So I want to be like that guy. And I also landed a job as a virtual assistant. So that's my profession. I am basically I work online, and I landed a job working for a podcast that is uh, real estate related, and they're called Bigger Pockets in the US. So shout out to Bigger Pockets. I'm still with them, and I'm still working for them. And of course, hours of listening to audio about real estate investing in the US basically was really mind boggling and open a lot. Also, ideas of, oh, I should really get into real estate investing, and that was like 8 years ago until now. So I am in a position now to be able to start that journey. So I was lucky enough to save money to start a mini side business that could help me purchase a lot, which is where I'm gonna build my first house. Uh, I say it's first house because I know I'm gonna build a lot more houses in the future. That I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it. So uh, that's uh, that's where I'm at now, and that's basically who I am. I am here to actually just share about this journey because I always believe that maybe someone out there might need help learning how to build a house for the first time. So I'm a completely noob. I'm a noob. I have no idea how this all works out. So what I did basically was just ask help from a friend who also is a newbie contractor. So I don't know what would happen here, but this is gonna be a fun journey, I guess, to share this to everyone who wants to learn more about maybe construction, maybe just real estate or building your first house, financing. I'm planning to take a financing through pag-ibig or whatever option that's available. Aside from, of course, from the savings that I've come up with, I really need the finance to make this happen. So yeah, this is all about that. And if you are someone who probably wants to learn more about this or just interested about how a guy might fail or succeed in this side of things, then you might enjoy this channel or this series of videos, or they call it vlog. I'm not used to it yet, but hopefully I can share and document each week of the progress. Hopefully, that's what I'm looking for. So I want to document each week what I did here, what they've done, the people working there. Actually, this is week one. This is the first week of the construction, and we just did the fencing. So fence or the walls outside the premise. So we started from there and then work on it. So we've so far we've worked with the architect to design the home. So this property that I got has an existing structure and a structure from the 90s, I believe, that's already abundant. So I decided to actually, if I can, save money just to build something out of it. So we built that design based on that like framework already, or that look of the or the size of the house basically. So yeah, so that's what's in it for this YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm just inviting anyone who wants to learn more about this kind of thing. I haven't seen much in online about this, about like a Filipino who's documenting this. So if you want to learn more and the ins and outs of this kind of business, I guess, or venture, uh, please subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye for now.